Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you love to use weight plates on your squat cage at home, then you are definitely going to want to check out these AmStaff Olympic Weight Plate Holders. One of the things that we really love about it is that the height is adjustable, so it makes it really easy to remove the weights. This is so easy to install, and because it's at an angle, the weights don't slide off on their own, but they're still super easy to put on and then take off when you need to. And again, because you can adjust the height, you can place them at a level that is convenient for you. Our squat rack supports are 2 inches, so we got the 2x2 tube racks, but there are other sizes available that will definitely accommodate what you need. On this first tube rack, we have 100 pounds of plates, and on the bottom rack, we have 140 pounds of weights, and it supports it really securely. These AmStaff weight plate holders are such a great addition to our at-home gym. They help keep things tidier, and we love how such a simple product is just making our lives easier when it comes to working out. And that's our point of view.